All right, you may have heard that it's our body's way of sending a message, but when back pain first arrives, what it's telling you may not be the truth, or at least not the whole story. We have nurse practitioner Rachel Decker here from TOSH Back and Neck Center. Okay, what is the back pain? I mean, it's so hard to figure out because it might be how many different things.
Yeah, a lot of times we don't actually know what causes somebody's back pain. A lot of times it can be a muscle strain or sprain from lifting something incorrectly, or just doing an activity that they're not used to doing.
When should you see a doctor?
I would say it's good to see a doctor if the pain is just getting worse over a matter of days and not better. Usually if you injure your back, you would expect after a few days it to get better.
Right.
So,
well, I always think, well, I'll do some more sit-ups. I'll get back on a regimen and get back in shape, and then the pain will go away.
yeah, that is true to some extent. I think the most important thing is to keep moving, to keep active. Bed rest is actually the worst thing you can do because it weakens the muscles and tightens the muscles. But I would say also stay active within reason. So don't do things that feel like they hurt, but find some moderation to keep active.
And find out what it is so you can get it treated. There are a lot of treatments that might just take a few weeks.
Yes. At home, before you go and seek medical care, you can do simple things like some stretches, ice, heat, taking over-the-counter pain relievers and that sort of a thing. But after a few days, if it's not getting better, you can come in for an evaluation. We basically would rule out serious causes of your back pain and then prescribe perhaps some physical therapy and specific exercises that you can do to get you through.
Yeah, I know my daughter had a bulging disc and went from a constant 7 in pain to a 0 in a week and a half just with physical therapy.
Yes, it can be amazing.
Okay, and ibuprofen, ice, heat, but call and ask and find out what you need to do.
Absolutely. At the TOSH Back and Neck Center, our goal is to get you in within 48 hours of your phone call. You can just call 801-314-2210 for an appointment. And if you just feel like you're not comfortable with your pain, you're nervous about it, or want more information, we would be happy to see you.
All right, especially if it's a nagging one that keeps getting worse.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Well, Rachel, thank you so much.
Thanks for having me.